A very good afternoon, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Today we are going to discussing difficult words and the life of Caroline Casey and multiple choice question answer from your chapter 10, Disability should bring ability. Okay? Yes, I hope you all are understood. All the students read the chapter 10, disability should bring ability. I hope you all are understood. Yes, the first of all, I am discussing difficult words. First word is afflicted. First word is afflicted. A-F-F-L-I-C-T-E-D. Okay. The next word is impaired. The next word is impaired. What is the spelling of impaired? I-M-P-A-I-R-E-D. Impaired. Ocular albinism. The next word is disability. What is the spelling of disability? D-I-S-A-B-I-L-I-T-Y. Disability. Established. The next word is established. The next word is empowering. What is the spelling of empowering? E-M-P-O-W-E-R-I-N-G. Empowering. The next word is courageous. The next word is courageous. C-O-U-R-A-G-E-O-U-S. Courageous. The next one is foxes. Foxes. Adventure. Imagination. What is the spelling of adventure? A-D-V-E-N-T-U-R-E. Adventure. Imagination. What is the spelling of imagination? I-M-A-G-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. Imagination. The next word is capacity. The next word is innovative. Capacity, innovative. Received. Documentary. Okay? Documentary. The next word is documentary. Yes, the next word is awareness. Consultant. Strive. Okay? Consultant strive. Yes, students. Look at the picture. Who is this? Caroline Casey. All the students know this. Who is? She is. Whose picture is this? Caroline Casey. All the students hear this? Yes. Caroline Casey is an Irish activist born on 97. Please remember this. Caroline Casey is an Irish activist. Okay? And born on 1971. Okay? Please remember this. Born on 1971. And she is working Irish activist. Okay? The next one is management consultant. She is legally blind. Okay? Caroline Casey is an Irish activist and management consultant. And she is legally blind. She is legally blind due to ocular albinism. Due to ocular albinism. Okay? In 2000, age 28, she left her job. When she left her job? In 2000. Okay? She left her job and established the Estlin. All the students know Estlin Foundation with an aim to improve how disability is treated. Okay, what is the aim of the Estlin Foundation? The aim of the Estlin Foundation I repeat again, Caroline Casey is an Irish activist and born on 1971. Okay, and she is legally blind due to Foundation with an aim to improve how disability is treated. Okay, yes, the next one is her major achievements. Okay, students, now all the students clear is the life of the Caroline Casey, when she was born and what she was doing, and what is the main problem she was suffering from, blindness, and this blindness due to ocular albinism. Okay, and the 28 years she left her job, and 30 when she was 30 years old she established the Essling Foundation. Okay, and her major achievements, her track was featured in National Geographic documentary as Elephant Vision. I already told about this Elephant Vision. Bandra, you read the chapter. Okay, they show the picture related to the disabled person. Okay, and short movie for the purpose of the widespread. Okay, the awareness, widespread the awareness among the people. That's why they make a documentary, Elephant Vision. Okay, the next one is received Ireland People of the Year Award. These are achievements of Caroline Casey. Okay, please remember this. These are achievements. The second one is received Ireland People of the Year Award 2002. Okay, the award received Ireland People's Award 2002. The next one is named as one of the 10 outstanding young people of the year 2002 by joining Chamber International. Yes, the next one is board member of leading organization. She has a positive attitude towards life. All the students know this. All the students read the chapter, and in the chapter describes she was very brave woman. Okay, and she has a positive attitude toward the life. People in society people need to learn about the disabled people. Okay, and she want to spread the awareness among the people. The people need to learn about the disabled people's needs. Okay, and her ideas to understand, and the Caroline Casey's ideas understand the disabled people is that they work 20% hard than the normal people. Okay, all the students understand these ideas of Caroline Casey. Okay, her ideas are to understand disabled people is that they work 20% harder than normal people. Okay, the disabled persons have a more capacity to work. Okay. Yes, students, I hope you all are understood the history or the life of Caroline Casey and her achievements. All the students clear the chapter. I hope you all the students understood. Yes, now we are going to discussing the multiple choice question answer from the chapter. If you listen it carefully, yes, you give me an answer. The first one is, when did Caroline Casey born? When did Caroline Casey born? 1971. Is it clear? When she was born? 1971. And the second question is, who is Caroline Casey? Who is Caroline Casey? कौन थी? वो अमेरिकन टीचर थी, इंडियन राइटर थी, एंड आयरिश एक्टिविस्ट थी. तो एक्टिविटीज किसने की थी बेटा? वो आयरलैंड की रहने वाली थी. उसको एन आयरिश एक्टिविस्ट कहा जाता है. शी इज नोन एज एन आयरिश एक्टिविस्ट. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज, from which disease Caroline Casey is suffering from? Okay, here your answer is she is suffering from blindness. Okay. The next one is when did Caroline Casey leave the job? Okay. Firstly, Caroline Casey doing the work also as an activist and consultant, and after that she left the job 2000. In 2000 she left the job and established a Esalen Foundation. All the students know this, and the aim of the Esalen Foundation to improve the disabled people. Okay, what is the aim of the Esalen Foundation? Improve how the abilities, disability is treated. Here, a minor mistake in the typing. Okay, the option B is right. Okay. Yes. The next one is what was Caroline Casey's profile in Sightsavers in International? She was among the board members, the founder, the director. Among the board members, your A option is right. Caroline's adventures project helped her to tremendously by. Okay, Caroline's adventures means जो भी एक्टिविटीज कैरोलिन ने की है, जो प्रोजेक्ट उन्होंने किए हैं, वो कैसे हैं? इंक्रीजिंग अवेयरनेस अबाउट द एनिमल्स, वो क्या वाइड स्प्रेड करना चाहती थी? इंक्रीजिंग अवेयरनेस, रेजिंग $1000 एज फंड. Yes, the second one is the right answer for the purpose of widespread awareness among the people about the disabled persons. Okay, the disabled persons can do more work rather than normal people. Okay, I hope you all are understood the chapter 10, disability, shouldering ability. Student, thank you. Have a nice day.